In this section, we will create the angry Facebook emoji. First, to start, we need to open our project file. Go to File, then Open or use the shortcut Ctrl+O. Look for the angry folder, then choose your version. Open the file. So in this project we will start by creating the circle, giving it the right gradient colors, then we will create the eyes, then the mouth, and we will finish by creating the eyebrows. So now we need to open our swatches which are created for that course, and to do that, go to your swatches palette. If you can see it here, go to Window, look for the swatches, make sure it has a check mark like mine. So go and click here, go to the bottom, hover your mouse over Open Swatches Library, then go to Other Library, let me go to my desktop, look for the source files, then to Basics folder, choose my version, then select the FB emoji colors. You can see that I've opened the swatches and I've got my project file here. What we need now to do is to create that circle with that certain gradient. So go to your toolbar at the left, select the ellipse tool or use the shortcut L, then click on your artboard. In the window, put 100 pixels in both the width and the height, then click OK. So we need first to give the fill of that circle the gradient color from here, and we need to remove the stroke. One click on stroke, then select none. So if your circle does not have that original color or that color which I've made myself here, for example, let's go to the gradients palette. If you can see the palette, simply go to Window and look for the palette. Here the palette with the check mark. Let's say that we have a black and the blue color. Say that our circle has that certain gradients and we need to make it like this circle here. We need to select the circle, give its fill the gradients color, go to the gradients palette, and from the swatches colors we need to drag the yellow color and drop it in the left slide, then drag the last color here, the red color, and drop it in the right slide, and this way we've got a gradient color with the red and the yellow color. What we need to do now is to flip the colors and make the red color in the top and the yellow in the bottom. To do that, go to your gradients palette, then to angle. In the angle little bar here, select the arrow, then choose 90 degrees, and you will have the red color in the top and the yellow in the bottom. What we need to do is to control that yellow color and to move it a little bit here, like need to move the yellow color a bit here. So go and select the left slide and either move it manually, or you can just select it and in the location type 20% and hit enter. And in this way you will have a circle with the gradient similar to our circle here. That's all for creating the circle. See you in the next video. Now let's add the eyes for our emoji. Go to your toolbar and select the ellipse tool, or you can use the shortcut L. Click on your artboard, and in the window that appear here, put 12 pixels in the width and 12 pixels in the height, then click OK. Now let me zoom in. Give that eye circle the color option, like it can have a gradient or a non-color or a color. So select the color option here and make sure you've selected the fill before you choose the color here. Then choose the black color. Now after we've created the eye, let's go bring this here and replace the little circle here. This position is fine. Then let's create a copy by first selecting the eye, then click and hold the Alt keyword or the Option keyword in Mac, then drag the eye here. That position is fine. Then release your hand from the keyword. So move it here with right arrow. Position is fine. So this way we've created the eyes for our angry emoji. See you in the next video. Now let's create the mouth of our emoji. Go to your toolbar, select the ellipse tool with the shortcut L, then click in the artboard. In the window that appears, put in the width 32 pixels, and in the height put 7 pixels, then click OK. Now make sure that you've added the black color to the mouth circle here from the swatches, and it has no stroke. You put a stroke, you can move it simply by clicking the stroke, then choosing none. Sure the fill is black, then select the mouth and move it and place it in the middle of the face. So I need to make the mouth more similar to our original project. So I need to select the bottom anchor point with the direct selection tool with the shortcut A. Select the bottom anchor point, then with the down arrow click one time, and here we've made the mouth of our emoji. So see you in the next video. Now let's create the eyebrows of our emoji. To create the eyebrows this time, we are going to use the pen tool. So go to your toolbar, select the pen tool, zoom in a bit, and click, go somewhere like here, click one time, then move your hand. This place is enough, is good. Then click the shift keyword, then drag your mouse a bit to the right, then release. You see that there is some kind of a line still sticking here. So to deselect, click on Ctrl, Shift and A keyword. Now let's use the selection tool to select our new shape. Then remove that fill and put it to the stroke color here using that swap fill or that double edge arrow this way. Then go to your stroke palette here. If you can't find it, simply go to window and look for the stroke. Here you can see that the check mark is there, and in the weight give it 4 pixels, and let me select the shape or the eyebrow and give it 4 pixels, and in the cup choose round cup. Now we need to move or to rotate the eyebrow to look more angry. Let me rotate it more. I think this looks good. So let me then move it down with the down arrow. I think this is fine. So now we need to create a reflection of the eyebrow. And to do that, select the eyebrow using the selection tool. Then use the reflection tool with shortcut O. Go to the bottom, or sorry, to the middle of your head circle. Click on the Alt keyword or the Option keyword in Mac. Then place that plus sign in the middle of the top anchor point. Then click on your mouse. In the Reflect window, choose Vertical. You can click on Preview to see what will happen. Then click Copy. You'll have an exact eyebrow like the one you've created here. So that's all for creating the angry Facebook emoji. See you in the next section.